Hi. Let's have ourselves an adventure. All right. So what we got here from Sugarlands Distilling Company. This is their Appalachian Sipping Cream, and the flavor is going to be dark chocolate coffee. And the ABV on this bad puppy. Hold on here. On a dark label. I gotta find it. It's very tiny. 20% alcohol by volume or 40 proof. Very tiny on these mini bottles, which is good. So we're going to shake up the bottle. All right. And we're going to go ahead and break the paper. And then we're going to go ahead and crack this open. I do like dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is nice. All right. So I'm expecting it not to be too sweet. 20% alcohol by volume is nice. But let's see what we work with. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nothing. It just smells like the cream. Cream and booze. That's it. Like a milky faint vanilla cream situation. I'm not getting any chocolate. All right, but that's it's okay. It's okay. Booze, cream. We'll leave it at that. It better taste dark chocolate. We better have that dark chocolate. Okay, there it is. It took a second. It is boozy. It is delicious with the cream texture. That dark chocolate is right on point. It's not super sweet at all. That dark chocolate is forward and finishing. Gives a nice velvety chocolate situation. And it's not that sweet. It's just the dark chocolate is a little bitter and it works very well with the cream. For 20%, that's fire. Where could I see this other than just sipping on it? I would add this to coffee. I would, let's say, I make my own ice cream that can be poured into the ice cream maker. I would use this in cheesecake. You know, there's many different ways to work with chocolate, especially if it's in liquid form. And this liqueur is really nice, right? So this sipping cream is an acquired taste. Dark chocolate isn't for everyone, but this is nice. Again, this would be great in coffee. This would be good in any sort of like chocolate cocktail. Anything that you would use sipping creams in. This would be a great like layered situation on top. I think that would be great. So this has potential. This has some versatility. And that is something for you to figure out because I would love to hear how you would use this other than just drinking this straight up. So again, if you're a person who loves dark chocolate, this right here is right for you, especially if you're gonna sip on it, enjoy it as a dessert after you've had dinner and you're just someone who just wants to have a nice something after dinner to drink. This would be great. You know what else would probably be really good with this? Nice espresso shot with one shot of this, a one in one. Baby, you're in business. And until next time, guys, cheers.